Hello everyone, I'm very glad to see you here in my channel. This is my first English language video and I hope you will forgive me my speech mistakes because this video is for my dear Etsy customers. Today I have prepared 4 junk journal kits for your amazing projects. You may buy these kits in my Etsy shop. The link will be below in the info box. So I'd like to show you these kits. I will show you what I have prepared for you. These kits are enough. This one kit is enough for your junk journal. Only you need to hand age your paper. You may use very simple office paper and to dye it in coffee or in tea, and you will have very beautiful old paper for your junk journals. And these papers, laces, fabrics and embellishments will help you to make your junk journal more beautiful and more interesting. So what I have prepared for you. These kits are very similar. All materials are the same, but maybe there will be some different. For example, pictures may be different in every kit, and for example, such linen fabric. There are 2 kits with such pieces with Paris, and there are 2 kits with fabric with alphabet, but all of them are the same size. As you see, the size of every piece of fabric is big, so it's enough to create your cover of your junk journal. Or if you do not need this fabric for your cover, you may cut it into pieces and to use them in your journal, for example, like a pocket or maybe like ribbons or something else. Okay, I will show you what is inside these kits. 1 piece of non-ideal linen fabric and 1 little piece of cotton fabric. This piece is not enough for your cover, but it is thin and you can create beautiful inside pockets in your junk journals. If you have a sewing machine, there will be no problem to create it, but if you do not have it, you may use your glue and to create such interesting pocket. Also, there are different laces. I will show you them. These laces and ribbons are all from my own junk collection. I use these materials in my junk journals, so they all are amazing and very cute, and some of them are real vintage laces. I will show you. You will have such very beautiful lace. It is real vintage lace from my granny. There will be 2 natural shabby ribbons. You may create ties for your junk journal. Also, there are 4 linen pieces, such lace. You may decorate your junk journal. Another 1 laces. These not white laces you may use as ties, or you may create beautiful ties for your tags. Such lace. This is a very beautiful fragment of lace. I like to use it. I dye it in coffee and then it is like aged like vintage lace, and you may cut it into fragments, into pieces, and to use in your junk journal. A fragment of crochet. This is one of my favorite lace fabric. It is very amazing. You may also cut it into pieces. Cotton lace. And such beautiful fragment with flowers. There are 13 different ribbons and laces in this kit. Also, there will be 3 metal charms, beautiful big scissors, you may decorate your cover, sewing machine, and a key. I will put into this kit 4 wooden buttons and 1 camea. 2 cameas in this kit are blue, and there will be 2 pink camea in this kit, so you will receive one of them. And I will show these paper embellishments. These are paper sheets from old books, from vintage, real vintage books, vintage magazines, and I may say you that I adore to use such materials in my own junk journals. First of all, I will show you this beautiful notes sheets. It's from real, authentic vintage album. And it is from the 50s of the 20th century. It is real vintage. You will have different book pages, also vintage. Such pictures are from scrap paper, and they will be another from kit to kit. Overlay butterfly, one more picture, and again a picture. You will have such fragment, different tags and labels. You may cut them and decorate your project. Frames, such cards. This is a pocket for your junk journal. You may glue it. In your journal, and it will be very cute for photos or for your tags. There will be 45 different paper elements in sheets in this kit. Look here, this double side paper. This is a real vintage map. You may use it as a separator in your junk journal. Some books sheets. Another one map. Very old sheets of book. Some scrap papers. These are old papers from magazines. Another one map, very beautiful. Craft paper. Scrap papers again. Such interesting old papers. And such elements, paper embellishments for your junk journal. So you may find these junk journal kits in my Etsy shop. So welcome. See you next time. Bye bye.